Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add a payment method, a debit card or credit card on your Shopee application. So how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and let's find out. First thing you need to do, open your Shopee application on your device. Once you open the application, then tap on your profile. So once you tap on your profile, at the top, you will find the settings option. So once you open the settings option, just below my account, you will find bank accounts and card. You need to tap on that one. So once you open that one, as you can see, credit card or debit card, you can add a new card, tap on that one. And here they will ask you if you enable NFC, so you can just directly scan your credit card or debit card and the details will be added. But if you want to do it manually, so you need to tap on manually. So I will do it manually. On this page, you need to enter the card details, the card number, expiry date, CVV, name on the card, and then the submit option will appear. And then just tap on submit. So I will add the details on the card and then I will see you. So guys, as you can see, I enter all the details. The next step is to tap on submit. So once you submit, now you need to verify your card from your bank. So how you're going to do it is you can see all the details here. And then you need to request an OTP, and that one-time password will be sent from your bank that the card belongs from. And they will send you a one-time OTP. All you need to do is to enter the OTP here. Once you enter the OTP, then tap on submit. And this payment method will be added to your Shopee account. I will not going to do this. I don't want to add this card to my as a payment method on Shopee. So this is the last step that you can do and your payment method will be added. So guys, this is all it takes to add payment method in Shopee application. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. We need your support. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.